Schedules of Indian Constitution. First schedule. It lists the states and union territories and their corresponding territories. Second schedule. It outlines the provisions for emoluments, allowances, privileges and so on of the following: the President of India, the governors of states, the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Chairman and the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the Legislative Assembly in the states, the Chairman and the Deputy Chairman of the Legislative Council in the states, the judges of the Supreme Court, the judges of the High Courts, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Third schedule. This provides for the forms of oaths or affirmations including the union and state ministers, the candidates for election to the parliament and the state legislature, the members of parliament and state legislature, the judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Fourth schedule. It provides for the number of seats allocated to each state or union territory in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha. Fifth schedule. It deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Sixth schedule. It deals with administering tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. Seventh schedule. It includes 3 lists for determining the legislative authority for various subject matters. Union list includes subjects of national importance, such as defense and foreign affairs, for which only the central government can make laws. State list includes subjects of state and local importance, such as police and public health, for which only state governments have the authority to make laws. Concurrent list includes subjects of joint importance, such as education, marriage, etc., for which both the central and state governments can make laws. Eighth schedule. It contains the list of recognized languages in India. Originally, there were 14 languages in the schedule, but presently it contains 22 languages, namely, Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Ninth schedule. It was added to the Constitution by the Constitution, First Amendment, Act, 1951. The object behind adding the 9th schedule was to protect certain acts and regulations from being declared void on the ground that they violate the fundamental rights provided under Part 3 of the Constitution. 10th schedule. It contains provisions relating to the disqualification of the members of Parliament and state legislatures on the ground of defection. The 10th schedule was added by the Constitution, 52nd Amendment, Act, 1985 to combat the evil of political defections and is also called the Anti-Defection Law. 11th schedule. It was added to the Constitution by Constitution, 73rd Amendment, Act, 1992. The 11th schedule deals with the powers, authority, and responsibilities of panchayats. It contains 29 functional items of the panchayats, some of which are agriculture, land improvement, implementation of land reforms, land consolidation and soil conservation, etc. 12th schedule. It deals with the powers, authorities, and responsibilities of the municipalities. It was also added by the Constitution, 74th Amendment, Act, 1992. It contains 18 functional items of the municipalities that are urban planning, including town planning, regulation of land use and construction of buildings, etc.